Hello and welcome to my chess course, How to Play Pawn Endgames Successfully. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to win Pawn Endgame if you're one pawn up. Let me show you this puzzle. If there are pawns on both flanks, on the queen side and on the king side, then your plan will be like this. You create a passed pawn here. When his king tries to destroy it, you may activate your king, moving it to the other side and taking your opponent's pawns. King f2, king f4, g3, king e4, h3, king e5, king e3, king f5, king f3, king g5, a4, b6, b4, a5, b5. If you have a material advantage, you don't have to trade pawns. King f5, h4, king g6, g4, h takes on g4, king takes on g4, king h6, king f5, king h5, king e6, king takes on h4, king d6, king g4, king c6, king f4, king takes on b6, king e5, king takes on a5, king d6, king b6, king d7, king b7, king d6, a5, and white promotes his a pawn. Thank you for your attention. This is how to win pawn endgame when you are one pawn up.